Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn check for an empty object using JavaScript and jQuery. Okay, let's get started. So let me create an index.html. Okay, let's close the Explorer HTML5, and here I'm going to write down the title of our topic. Okay, and I'm going to start the live server. Okay, let's define a script, and in script I'm going to define two objects. Let's call them obj1, and this will contain a name, right? Jessica is the first. Then let's take a copy of this one, and I'm going to say this is an empty object and name is object2. So we have two objects, and one of them, object2, is an empty object, and we are going to look how we can figure out it's empty or not. So for to check this, let's define a function is empty. Okay, because we are using JavaScript and is empty. We'll figure out an object is empty or not. So we just pass a parameter, and let's return. It will return true or false if object equals to an empty one. Okay, so this is how we can do this, but there is a mistake in this one. We will just figure out what it is. Okay, so let's do console.log, and I'm going to pass is empty obj1. Okay, obj1, we just passed to it, and let's pass the another one, which is object2, and refresh this, open the console.log, and here we go. So both are giving false. Actually this one, the second one, should be true because it's empty. You can see this, it's an empty. So actually this comparison doesn't find out it's empty or not or equals, because they are objects. Okay, so to accomplish this, we can write json.stringify. In stringify, we will just enclose this object, and we will do the same for our empty object. Okay, now if I will save this, you can see it's showing true. It means this is now comparing it correctly. So this is how you can figure out an empty object. Now let's go and understand how we can accomplish this using jQuery. Okay, to accomplish this, I'm going to add a jQuery library over here. I'm going to remove this one because it's no longer needed. Okay, and I can just write down jQuery.isEmptyObject. This is a built-in method inside the jQuery. I'm just going to choose this one, and you can see we have just enclosed, and this is giving us false and true by using the jQuery library. So this is how we can find out JavaScript and jQuery an object is empty or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.